Hello everyone, welcome to Explore CSC Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about Python numbers. So there are three numeric types in Python. One is integer, another is float, another is complex. So for example, here we are taking XYZ variable and assign integer, float and complex number. To verify the type of any object in Python, you have to use the type function. So I'm going to the Google Colab. Here we are taking x, y, z variable and assigning the value. One is integer float and another is complex. So I am assigning x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1.8, z is equal to 1, z. Simply using type function under the print inside the print function. So run the cell. So it's showing error because I am not closing the bracket. See, it's showing the output. X is integer, y is float, and z is complex number. So let's go through the integer type of number. What is integer? Integer is a whole number. It's a positive or negative without decimals of unlimited length. Here is an example. X is equal to 1, y is equal to is a big number which is also integer, and z we are using minus number, but it's using without decimal, so it's also a integer number. So I'm copying this code and run on the Google Cloud. Run the cell. See, x, y, z, z. There are three types of variable we are using and assigning the integer type of variable and using type function. It's showing the output. All three are integer type of numbers. Next, we are talking about the float number. What is float number? Float or floating point number is a number which is positive or negative containing one or more decimals. Here is example. We are taking the same variable xyz and assigning the floating point number. X is equal to 1.10, y is equal to 1.0, and we are taking z as a negative floating point number which is minus 35.59, and using type function under the print function inside the print function to see what is the type of this number. So just simply copy this code and run on the Google Cloud. Run the cell. See, x, y, z, all three types of variable assigning value are floating point number. Next, we are going to talking about complex numbers. So what is complex numbers? Complex numbers are written with a uh, j as the imaginary part. For example, here we are also using the three types of variable which is x, y, z, and assigning the complex number which is one is 3 plus 5j, y is equal to 5j, and z we are using minus complex number which is minus 5z. Using type function inside the print function to see whether it's a complex number or another type of number. I'm simply copying this code and run on the Google Cloud. So run the cell. See, we are seeing that x is equal to complex type of number, y is also is equal to complex type of number, and z also complex number.